and yung katapat niyaan ay asset. In other words,
Sir,
itong pundong ito,
sir, wag natin lituhin ang taong bayan. Maliwanag naman po, di ba? Iniisa-isa ko, simple lang naman. Kanina pa natin pinaghihiwalay ang reserves at investments. Maliwanag naman, di ba, Mr. Chair, that they're separate things? Magkaiba yon, di ba?
The Honorable Stella Kimbo.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Unahin ko na po si Mr. Ledesma. Simpleng tanong po, sa inyong pagkakaintindi po ng inyong charter, ano po ang mandato ng PhilHealth?
To provide, like I mentioned, well, yung provision po na binasa ko kanina po, that every Filipino citizen shall be automatically included in the National Health Insurance Program. So, health financing po for the whole population po, regardless of status.
Health
To provide,
financing.
to provide,
To provide health
to provide
financing.
health financing po to the population. Of the
So
country.
maliwanag, financial risk protection. Yun po ang
Yes po.
yan
Yes
ang mandato.
Financial risk
So
protection.
maliwanag po.
Yes po.
So hindi po kayo investment bank, kundi tayo po ay isang social health insurance program. It is not just a health insurance program, it is a social health insurance program.
Yes po.
Ano pong pagkakaiba nun?
So, in other words po, it's not, we are not in the business, PhilHealth is not in the business of a high net income or making a lot of money po. Unlike maybe commercial banks or corporate companies, we are in the business of providing health insurance and not making money po.
Mr. Chair, natutuwa po ako na very clear naman po sa ating PCEO ang mandato. Very clear na they're not in the business of making profits. I'm not sure if you're aware, but 5 out of 10 Filipinos die without seeing a doctor. Napakabigat po ng data na to. Ibig sabihin nun, sa bawat 10 na namamatay, kalahati, hindi man lang binibigyan ng pagkakataon na paglaban ng kanilang buhay. Ang dahilan, pera, di ba? So they don't have enough financing, di ba po? So yun ang dahilan kung bakit wala silang access to care. Kaya po, napaka-importante ng PhilHealth. Kaya po nandito po kami, pasensya na po. Yan ang dahilan po kung bakit nandito kami at pinupukpok po namin na mag-perform ang PhilHealth. So yun ang dahilan. Okay po. So, hindi po ako kontento doon po sa ating pagkwenta kung magkano ba talaga ang excess funds. Ayokong tawaging surplus dahil pag ginagamit niyo po ang word na surplus, nawawala tayo eh. Okay, so, sige po. Based on your financial statement, June 2024, end of June 2024, yes or no na lang po. Maliwanag, reserves to 80 billion and I believe ito ay based on the definition na pinag-agrihan ninyo ng DOF. Tama po?
Yes po.
Okay, so 280. Mukhang nag-agree na rin kayo na yung excess reserves na ang tawag ninyo surplus ay 183 billion. Kasi kaya nangyaring ganon, previously, ang pagkwenta ninyo ng reserves ay 463, pero nung pumasok ang DOF, klinaro sa inyo na 280 lang dapat ang reserves. So 463 less 280.
So 281 po.
Yeah,
Tama
so
po.
naging yung 463 less 280 ay 183. So yun po ay excess reserves.
Mr. Chair, yes, Your Honor.
Yes, please, Mr. Lim Siaco.
Yes, Mr. Chair, that's the excess or the surplus, Mr. Chair.
So ang tawag nyo lang doon ay surplus. Para lang tayo magkaintindihan.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Kong Stella.
But in actuality, it's excess reserves.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Kong Stella.
Because in your previous financial statements, ang tawag nyo doon ay total reserves.
Mr. Chair, yes, Kong Stella. Tama.
Okay. Ang investable funds ninyo, is it 504 billion or 489?
Mr. Chair, again, that 504 that was
Mentioned in the budget hearing?
budget hearing, I think that is June. The 489 or 490 billion, Mr. Chair, this is as of November 30, 2024.
Bakit bumaba?
Mr. Chair, we already released the 60 billion to BTR, Mr. Chair.
Hindi na, pakipaliwanag. Ang difference ng 504 at 489 ay hindi naman 60.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Of course, Mr. Chair, Kong Stella, the investment po natin may pumapasok na premium and lumabas na benefit payment and lumabas yung 60. That's the reason why ang suma total dumating ng November 30 ay nasa 489.5, Mr. Chair.
So as of the latest, it's 489, not 504.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Kong Stella.
Okay, at maliwanag din, base sa sinasabi mo sa akin, ay easily convertible to cash ang investments.
Yes po.
Unlike what you were implying nung nag-interpolate si Kong Wilbert. Kasi kanina, nung tinatanong ni Kong Wilbert, ang investments ba ay pwedeng gamitin? Ang sabi ninyo, well, in not so many words, parang tila hindi.
Mr.
Kasi
Chair.
ang kanina maliwanag, ang investments ay bonds, T-bills, securities. Lahat naman po ito ay pwedeng ma-retire at any point in time. Tama?
Tama, Mr. Chair.
Ibig sabihin, if your board directed you, lahat ng 489 investments, lahat yan i-retire today. Pwede yan maging cash bukas. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
In
Kong
which
Stella.
case, will you agree with me that 489 is excess?
Mr. Chair,
Please
Ibig
continue.
sabihin, excess. Hindi mo kailangan para patakbuhin ang current benefit packages.
Mr. Chair,
Please continue.
our investment is two things. Part of that.
Yes or no na lang po, Mr. Chair, para mabilis tayo, di ba? Klaro naman yata yung tanong ko. 489, naka-invest ngayon. Kung dinirect kayo ng board ninyo, SVP Lim siya ako, retire mo lahat yan. Bukas, magiging cash. Yan ba ay excess?
Mr. Chair.
Ibig sabihin, hindi yan ay over and above what you need to run your current operations.
Mr. Chair, may I
Please
respond?
continue. Please answer.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. As I mentioned kanina, the reserve fund and surplus or excess ay nasa members' equity. And yung katapat niyaan ay asset. In other words,
Sir,
itong pundong
sir,
ito,
wag natin lituhin ang taong bayan. Maliwanag naman po, di ba? Iniisa-isa ko, simple lang naman. Kanina pa natin pinaghihiwalay ang reserves at investments. Maliwanag naman, di ba, Mr. Chair, that they're separate things? Magkaiba yon, di ba? Kung ano yung naka-invest, iba yan doon sa reserves because by law, nakahiwalay yan. Tama ba?
Mr. Chair.
Please.
Again, Mr. Chair, the composition of our reserve, of our investment, portion of that one ay for the reserve and portion of that one ay for the surplus or the excess. So we
So okay, Mr. Chair, what you're saying is doon sa 489 billion, some of those are part of the 280 reserves?
yes, Mr. Chair.
How much?
Of course, Mr. Chair, the
Mr.
489.
Lim Siaco, kahit hindi ka naka-oath, Mr. Lim Siaco, at one point, kung magkakaroon tayo ng inquiry, matandain ako sa numero, maalala ko lahat ito.
Mr. Chair. Yes,
Please
Mr. Chair.
continue.
Again, balance sheet ang pinag-usapan natin. And of course,
Nakakaintindi po kami ng balance sheet.
opo, asset equals liability plus equity. So, ang reserve po natin at saka yung excess or surplus ay nasa members equity. Ang katapat niyaan ay nasa asset side. Asset. Tung investment natin ay nasa asset, meaning itong asset natin ito yung nagko-cover, yung gagamitin natin na pondo ay papalabas ay ito. So in other words, tama si Kong Stella, Mr. Chair, that anytime pwede natin to ma-convert into cash. Because this one ay convertible naman siya and
Okay,
magamit
so,
natin sa
so
payment.
what you're saying, Mr. Chair, is yung buong 280 ay nasa loob ng 489.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Lahat.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Lahat.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so 289 minus 280,
Yung buong reserve na
Yung buong
280
reserve.
nasa investment? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Mr. Chair, because yung backup
Hindi
niya
ba
na cash,
under the
asset.
law dapat